Okay, you guys, I am going to show you how to make apple pie out of canned apple pie filling, which I've already dumped into my jar. So here we go. We have empanada dough. I've already got some rolled out. I've got my rolling pin and my little pan right here. I'm going to cut the apples a little bit smaller and put them onto the dough and make apple pie for dessert. Okay, there it is on here, and we are just going to fold this over and then crimp it with a fork, just like that, and then crimp the edges. Okay, first you want to make sure that it's all going to fit in there, so you want to just push it down like that. And then we're going to start to crimp it with our fork, just like this, and go all the way around. Okay, so I crimped all the way around, I folded it over, and then I crimped it again. So now we are going to take the pie and carefully put it on our pan over here, and we're going to do the rest. Okay, just want to show you I've rolled out the second one, and again, this is what they start out with, this size. For some reason they're stuck on here. This is what they start out with right here, that size. You want to roll it out thinner, just like that. Put a little bit of flour on it, and then roll it out a little bit thinner, and then put your filling in. Okay, so here are the pies all ready, and we have scrambled an egg. So we're going to take our handy dandy little brush here, and we're just going to spread some egg over the pies. Oops, just like that. Make them nice and shiny, nice and crusty, and delicious. And then I'm going to put some sugar on them. And I'm probably going to serve these with some vanilla ice cream, or maybe chocolate chip, because that's what I have. Okay, so I've got way too much egg on this one. You don't want to completely douse them in egg, you just want to kind of put a little bit of egg on them. It not only crisps it, but it makes it nice and shiny and delicious. Okay, so let's put a little bit of sugar over the top of these, just like this. Make these nice and delicious. I only made 4, and that was 1 quart. These are pretty big, you guys, so there's my hand. So they're as big as my hand. So that was 1 quart of apples, and I'm probably going to make some more tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to put these in a 425 oven for about 20 minutes, and then take them out. Baking. Almost done. Okay, you guys, so there is the finished result. A little bit burnt because I was doing dinner at the same time, but they will be good nonetheless. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. We have dehydrating coming and lots of giveaways. So the word of the day today is apple pie. Please subscribe. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, the like button, and comment the word of the day, which is apple pie, in order to win the giveaway of the day. And I will see you guys tomorrow.